Come home to the peaceful sanctuary that is the Reserve at Woodwind Lakes and discover the lifestyle you deserve. This newly renovated community, surrounded by lush landscaping, is the perfect place to relax and enjoy luxury like never before. Nestled among Northwest Houston's Loblolly Pines, this residential setting has it all, from on-site community activities to spectacular scenic views and incredible recreational amenities. Arriving to your new home and entering the property through controlled access gates, you'll take pride in the benefits of covered parking or even the availability of your very own detached garage. Opening the door to your spacious 1, 2, or 3 bedroom apartment home interior, nestle your shoes in your large walk-in closet. Wind down in the beautiful living room, accented by crown molding, and relax beneath the cooling ceiling fan while watching a cable television program. Better yet, spice up a gourmet meal in your gorgeous new kitchen, boasting oak cabinetry and modern white-on-white appliances. Serve your delicious creation to friends and family in your elegant dining room with available track lighting. Later, step outside onto the secluded patio or balcony and admire breathtaking scenery in the setting sun. Before turning in for the night, submerge into the lavish Roman soaking tub, your haven from the outside world. And at the Reserve at Woodwind Lakes, you'll even have the availability of full-sized washer and dryer connections. At day's end, retreat to your king-size bedroom suite and experience the comfort that makes dreams of an ideal lifestyle come true. Best of all, your wonderful community is within minutes to premier destinations, including a wide variety of prestigious malls and shopping centers, fabulous dining options, exciting entertainment venues, and major businesses with excellent employment opportunities. If you're in the mood for exhilarating recreation, you've chosen the right place. With the advantage of natural walking trails right outside your front door, you'll be motivated to sustain a healthy heart. For a more robust workout, tone your muscles at the fitness center, utilizing a variety of state-of-the-art strength training and cardiovascular equipment. After heart-pounding exercise, take a refreshing plunge in the sparkling swimming pool, accented with trickling waterfalls and a sensational beach-style entrance. Or bask in the sun on expansive decks beneath wooded arbors while surfing the net with free poolside Wi-Fi. Kick back, and the captivating surroundings and garden landscape will lull you into total relaxation. How about gathering friends or family at one of the well-manicured courtyards and creating a mouth-watering meal on one of the outdoor barbecue grills? Later, stop by the gorgeous clubhouse and kick back on plush furnishings before the wood-burning fireplace and meet new friends. Enjoy a fresh cup of coffee or tea or a delicious snack at the pub-style coffee bar. Need to complete that business or school-related project? Reserve the conference room or utilize the business center, complete with business equipment and free high-speed internet access. The friendly management staff at the Reserve at Woodwind Lakes is dedicated to anticipating your needs, and the professional 24-hour maintenance team is available to help keep your life simple and carefree. At the Reserve at Woodwind Lakes, there's something for everyone, but there's more for you. Make the right decision in upscale living today, and tomorrow will be spectacular.